Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide completed tasks here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner, it's a simple process. You can always go to the option to switch views to focus on the tasks that are still in progress. And for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the plans that you wanted to hide the completed tasks. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this plan right here. I'm going to click on it. You see, there's going to be a progress, right? Completed, not started, and in progress. If you go to the grid section, all right, you would notice that there's going to be a progress here. Now, I wanted to make this as complete right now. Complete. And for example, this one is complete. All right. So these are going to be some complete option. Now, here on the, if you use the group by progress view, you need to switch to the board section because here you can group by the progress. All right. And that says, as you can see, most of the task has been hidden, or the completed task has been hidden, right? And you can always collapse the completed task to hide the that section, focusing only on tasks that are in progress and not started right here, right? For example, I'm going to put in the this task right here. Okay, so you see, all of the completed has been hidden here in this section. You can also use the chart option to view for an overview without completed tasks. The chart gives you a visual overview of tasks without displaying individual completed tasks right here. You see that? The completed is hidden. If you click on the drop-down menu, you would see the completed. But of course, we try to hide the completed and only those who are not started, in progress, and are the ones that are shown, because the chart view gives you a visual overview of tasks without displaying individual completed tasks. In charts right here, you can quickly see counts for not started and in progress tasks without clutter from completed items. Of course, these options allows you to focus on active tasks while completed tasks out of sight until needed. And basically, you would notice that as tasks accumulate, a planner board can become crowded, making it harder to find active tasks. Alright, hiding completed tasks reduces clutter, helping team members focus only on what's still in progress. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.